Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a lag for this game. It's very easy to do. There are a couple of different steps, so try not to skip them. Okay, I'm going to put a link to this file in the video description or a pinned comment below. Basically, it'll look something like this. It is a .ini file that works on Unreal. You want to extract it. Here's the file. You want to go to search and then you want to click on run and then you want to paste this local app data SB saved config window no editor. You can go through the file explorer to find this anyway. I'll put this in the video description. It'll come up to this folder here. And all you have to do is copy and paste this here and say replace the file in the destination. This is nothing weird. You can right click on this, you can say open with a notepad and you can see what's inside of it. Basically, it just optimizes everything to run better on Windows. This is quite common for Unreal Engine games to have this problem. The next thing I would recommend, turn off all your overlays, turn off your Nvidia overlay, turn off your Steam overlay. By the way, go right click, properties, enable Steam overlay in game, turn that off, turn off your Discord overlay. These all lag the game. The next thing you want to do is make sure the frame rate is matched with your monitor refresh rate. If you do not do this, this will crash the game or it will at least slow it down quite a bit. How do you do this? Well, if you're on Nvidia, download this Nvidia control panel software. Go to Manage 3D Settings, go to Program Settings and find Stellar Blade. Add it by clicking this button if you can't find it here. And you'll see something called a max frame rate. You want this to match your monitor's refresh rate. If your monitor is 60 Hz, set it to 60 FPS. If it's 120 Hz, set it to 120, etc, etc. This really does help. Next thing you want to do, update your Windows. This is just a good, go to settings, Windows update, check for updates and install everything. By the way, I also recommend going to typing in cmd, running right click, say run as administrator, hit yes, type sfc, scan now, hit enter, and have it scan and repair any corrupted system files. After you have done that, make sure the VPNs and background apps are disabled. That includes anti-cheat software for things like Valorant or anything like that. This really does not play well with this game. And last but not least, I would recommend rolling back your driver to Nvidia 576.52. That is 576.52. Basically, Google it. You can find the old driver and then you install that. The newest Nvidia driver doesn't play well with Stellar Blade. I do not know why, but it simply doesn't. And that is it. If this video helped you, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And everybody have a wonderful day.